how to buy Fokai, the Fokai.fan token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Now after that, what you need to do, as you can see, go to Dick Screener. It's available there. If you don't have an account, then just go and create one. As you can see, this token is increased by 11,000% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here are locked by 97%. That means your investment in the safe place. Now here, copy the token address, and as you can see, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Bitget wallet, and now select the Solana network from here. After that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. And as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back and find the token. This is it. Click on it and click on swap. After that, switch it from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Fokai token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.